Hey, just got this selfie. Actually, I've had a selfie stick for some time. It's been in closet somewhere collecting dust. Anyway, we bought in the house board here in Ghana, and we thought maybe we'd do some African home videos, Ghana home videos with some Ghana kids and some Ghana big kids. So let's go see what the kids is doing. Hey, there's one of the kids right there. Don't run away. Don't run away. Where you running to? Hey, there's one of the other kids right there. What you kids doing out here? Hey, why you running? Don't hide. What you doing, Shy? Why you gotta scream? Mama, what you doing?
Nothing.
I'm gonna do this every day, so the world can see how bad my kids is. Don't run away. What you doing in the house? I'm gonna run up this boy. Let's go get him. Little monkey boy. Hey, little monkey boy. Don't move. Come here. Stop. Gotta get you. Mama, too. Take the thing down. Tell me what you're doing out here. Oh, we're gonna have some trouble tonight. We're gonna have some trouble today. Get back here. Hey. Oh, that's why you bust your leg. She ain't coming out when you fall down again. Alright, I guess the kids. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm not coming. Guess the kids don't want to be on video. We're gonna catch them later, don't worry. Let me see if Mama would be interested in doing some home videoization. Cause we bored in the house bored. Mama! I shouldn't come? Are you sure? Maybe later? Okay. Guess Mama busy. We catch her another time. The brother of mine, cooler than Dean Martin, shout out to Jules. He said that he would like to see some aerial footage. So let's go take this sexy thing to get some nice shots. Follow me. Okay, now it's time to fly this drone so we can show the people where we at. So for this, I'm gonna let my top flight cameraman, if he can, Shy, do the camera work on the phone while I fly the drone. Can you do it? I mean, hold on, man. Can you do it? You sure?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
All right, hold it. There you go. Yeah.
Are you ready, Dad?
Yeah, but you gotta point the camera at the drone, man. All right, now, let's get it going. Ready? Set? You go.
Whoa.
Ooh, make sure you're looking at the thing.
Whoa, this is so awesome.
Yes, it is. Let's go show them what we're doing.
Whoa, I got a picture too. Someone's cutting. Whoa. Oh, this is so awesome.
Bye, say bye.
Bye. Bye. It's gone. It's in the sky. It's in the sky.
Done.
Come on. I'm the cameraman. Do. Ah, it's going.